Our top story, 6 people have been sentenced to death and 2 people were given life imprisonment in the infamous Khairlanji murder case.
The Khairlanji murders were among the most brutal Dalit murders ever recorded. On the 29th of September 2006, 45-year-old Surekha Bhotmange, her 18-year-old daughter Priyanka, sons Roshan and Sudhir were lynched by a mob in Khairlanji in the Bhandara district of Maharashtra late that night over a land dispute. There were also allegations that the mother and daughter were raped, which the fast-track court later rejected. The head of the family, Bhaiya Lal Bhotmange, managed to escape and he survived.
Well, the police had arrested 47 people in all during the investigation into the incident. The probe was later handed over to the CBI, which filed a charge sheet against 11 people, with the remaining 36 being released as no charges were brought against them. There had been widespread violence at several places in Vidarbha, including Nagpur, Yavatmal and Amravati, in the weeks after those killings.
Well, NDTV's Prerna Thakur Desai joins us for the latest in this case. Prerna, how was this case one of the most horrific instances of attacks, atrocities against Dalits in India?
Absolutely, Vishnu. Easily the most brutal Dalit murders in Maharashtra, in India, and something that gained a lot of sensationalism post it. Now, of course, 6 people have been sentenced to have been given a death sentence, and 2 have been given a life sentence. The special fast-track court in Bhandara has given out this sentence today. Early on 19th, 8 people were held guilty. Of course, it all started in September 2006 when the family of Bhotmanges was murdered brutally late at night. There was a caste dispute, as was alleged by Bhotmanges, but the fast-track court now ruled it out, saying it wasn't a caste dispute, seemed more like a land dispute between the accused and the victims. Later, there was a lot of widespread violence that followed this incident. Initially, the state didn't seem to take as fast an action in the case, but later, following a lot of violence in Amravati, Yavatmal, the entire Vidarbha, where the Dalits are really very active, the state had to take quick action. Initial investigations charged 47 people. Of course, when the probe later was given to the CBI, only 11 of those accused were finally charged as accused. But now the case has finally come to an end 2 years after the incident, and finally 8 people have been held guilty of this incident.